to my channel. I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you want my little doll, baby.
Hi, doll, baby. Hi, doll, baby. Hi, doll, baby.
Hi, doll, baby. How you do?
Hi, doll, baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Okay, so today I'm reviewing a wig that I've already worn. So instead of showing like clips of me getting her together, I'm just gonna put her on as we're talking about her. But this is
said Bobbi Boss.
This is a Bobbi Boss Yulia. Who am I? I have no idea. So this is Yulia by Bobbi Boss. I have her in the color F1B30. Yulia is a lace front and a lace part. She has a 5-inch parting. Okay, it's a hand-tied lace front. It says that it has natural it has natural baby hairs. It has natural baby hairs. She is heat safe. It says the hairline is made to blend seamlessly, and she's heat safe. Oh, this is Bobbi Boss. They don't say. She's just heat safe up to some degree, so good luck. I do really like this TT2/F gold blonde. So it must be like maybe face framing gold blonde. So gorgeous. I scooped up Yulia from Wig Types for $19.94. Let's talk about her. This is her right here. Like I said, I've already worn this wig once. She does have that lace parting. Okay. She's got, you can see the hand-tied pieces right here, right? She has 2 combs in the front set wide. That stretchy sort of mesh cap. She has a comb in the back, adjustable straps. All right, so let me get her on. Like I said, I've already worn her. This cutie is Renee Paris's Rory in the color Cafe Macchiato or Macchiato. It's like all the wigs I review, they're like over there in a pile. It's so weird. All right, I put my wigs on back to front. Some people do it differently. I'm gonna tell you right, oh, I must have had her up. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is a large wig cap, so keep that in mind. If I was going somewhere, I would 100% need to put the combs in or wear a wig grip. This is all the hair to the front. So she's only in that sort of 17, 18 inch range. I'm gonna go ahead and use this African Essence Control Wig Spray 3-in-1 formula for human and synthetic wigs. I don't know if I did a full review on this, so if I didn't, I will go ahead and do that because I've been using it. It's got like this, it's coconutty, but it's just, there's a little something extra tropical. If you've ever been curious, I do research and notes and everything. I never thought to discuss like my process of how I review wigs, how I prepare for them. Want to know more about that? I guess I could do a video on it. I never thought about it till just now that somebody might be curious as to what my method is to sort of doing my channel and all of that. So if you want to see that, put that down below and I'll add that to my list. All right, so I'm just working from the bottom up because like I said, I did wear her and she was just in this basket over here. I have this basket for like the wigs that I have worn. So she was just in the basket, but you can see the color is gorgeous. You can see this gorgeous coloring. You got this 30 going through here. Definitely a 1B shade, okay? And the wig spray is really nice. It just helps. It's meant for wigs, falls, hair pieces, and braids, softens, conditions, and provides moisture and sheen. And I also feel like, I mean, they're not going to say this, but it kind of like will deodorize it too, because the smell on this is gorgeous. If you like sort of those, see how nicely it's coming out and looking now? If you like sort of those, you know, those like cocoa butter lotions or sprays, I mean, you really shouldn't use like suntan lotion. It's like suntan lotion. If you remember what that smelled like, I don't know that suntan lotions in general are that popular anymore, but they used to be, and you used to be able to get them in the store. And so this is what that smells like. So there was a coconutty smell to it. But maybe like the cocoa butter too makes it a little bit different. So the density on her is good. She is definitely a silkier texture. So this is more of a multicultural wig. And this is the full density. This is all the hair to the front. So she's not crazy. She does have that sort of, you know, going out, I guess, curtain-y type style away from the face. And she does have a little bit of a bang. If I'm going to take a bang, it can't be in my face. So I don't hate that. This isn't necessarily my style per se, but I did enjoy wearing it. She doesn't have like ear tabs, so she could be shifted. Ooh, okay. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah, I think I like her shifted actually. Oh, this just changed the whole wig for me. Did you ever do that? Like you just do a little tweak with a wig and then all of a sudden you're like, oh, I feel completely different. I just didn't like the middle part with the curtain bang. Although I love a middle part, those two things together did not work for me. So let me go ahead. I'm going to put some powder. I'm going to use this Laura Geller Baked and Balanced Brightening Foundation in the shade Medium. And I'm also going to use this. It's made for eyeliner, but it's a makeup brush. And I think it's just perfect for the part. This is also like a lighter feeling wig in terms of like, I just did a video on wig mist in terms of whether, you know, different mists, and one of them was that wigs can be super hot. I would say this one, because of the weight of the fabric, the density, definitely not as hot. I'm taking this Wet n Wild, I think it's their large flat brush or large eyeshadow brush. I take the same powder and just sort of tapping it right into those knots. So if you can see those knots there, I'm sort of tapping it into the knots. So you still get the look of that hand tie, but it meshes with your skin a little bit better. I'm also leaving like my widow's peak hair there. I've been doing that more because I feel like it helps to blend a little bit. And I also have this hair on the side that I leave out. So I'm just gonna comb it down, and I feel like it makes it more seamless. See, like that's my actual hairline. I mean, obviously you can only do that if the root is a similar color. If the root is a similar color, then my hair is probably slightly lighter, but not really. Like it's not like a dark brown. It's more of a medium. I used to sort of shade that back. You can tell because it's quite short, just because I was trying to blend, but I actually find that it blends better if I don't shave it back. So yeah, you can see that wig spray is going through there, and it's starting to, oh, sorry doll. Did you see what I did to her? It's starting to dry a little bit. It made it very easy to brush. I do really like it. You know, for the most part, I find like wig sprays and stuff like that for like conditioning or shine, they're all gonna be similar. I mean, there's not like one crazy formula that's like so different. So in general, I think it's preference in terms of price. And for me, because I am a migraine sufferer, so another thing that's really important to me is smell. And it has to smell in a certain way, or I can't wear perfume. I can't do any of that. Even sometimes when I get wigs, if they've been pre-owned, I usually have to wash them because, you know, not that the perfumes that the person is wearing is bad, and it does end up on the wig. It's just, like I said, I'm so sensitive. It's crazy. Like, nobody in the office is allowed to wear, like, any perfume because there's a couple of us. But I'm like, I will, if someone does wear it, I will, like, legitimately get a headache. I should actually remind my supervisor of that because not everybody cares, but I definitely do. Yeah, I really like this wig. I think she's a great everyday wig. I think in general, like as well, she would be good for styling. And if you wanted to use the baby hairs, I do like that you can sort of shift her. So this is shifted to the right. This is in the middle. And then this is to the left, which I do not like. Yeah, I definitely like sort of this right-sided. I would wear her more that way. Let's look at her from the bed. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty from the back. The movement is so nice. Yeah, I definitely recommend this wig. I actually like her more now than the first time that I wore her. And I know it's kind of goofy, but it really is a lot to do with just shifting it. And so that is a lesson learned, that sometimes you just shift the wig and, you know, there you go. So if you enjoyed this sort of put on and talk through, not a tutorial, but it's the review, but I'm sitting here, you know, more talking about how I feel about it, or how I wore it before, or, you know, maybe how sort of I wore it and then now this is how I feel about it. I can do more of these. Yeah, that's what I have for you for this wig. If you enjoy this wig and you have it and you have thoughts, go ahead and put me down below. Put it for me down below, girl. Who knows what's happening in my brain right now. Put that down below. I will leave my full Bobbi Boss playlist of all the wigs from Bobbi Boss that I have reviewed down below as well. If there is a wig that's not in there that you would like to see, you can put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And you will become one of my doll babies, because if you have subscribed, you're my doll baby. And I so appreciate all of your support, whether you've been a doll baby for a day or a year or a few years. I really, really appreciate you being here. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!